everyone, my name is Bella and I'm a student here at Marist College. Today we're taking a look around Sheahan Hall. This residence hall houses approximately 130 first-year students across 4 floors. Sheahan is a great place to live your first year, so let's go check it out. When you walk into Sheahan, you see a bright and open lounge where you can watch TV, study, socialize, or enjoy planned activities organized by residential staff. This is what a room will typically look like in Sheahan Hall. In these double rooms, you share your space with one other student, each with your own height-adjustable bed, dresser, desk with chair, and in-wall closet space. There's also room for a mini fridge and microwave that you can either bring from home or rent from the college. As for TV, we use an internet-based service that you can watch on a Roku device, computer, or even your smartphone. And each floor has a shared bathroom with showers, lavatories, and sinks. Every first-year residence hall, like Sheahan, has a resident director that oversees the building, as well as a resident assistant on all of the floors. RDs are live-in professional staff members that are responsible for the day-to-day operations and oversee the RAs. RAs are extensively trained upperclassmen who are responsible for developing programming, promoting positive community development, and acting as a resource for fellow resident students. Sheahan also has a coordinator from the Office of First Year Programs. This professional staff member mentors new students throughout their first year at Marist to help them with their academic, social, and emotional transition to college. On the ground floor, Sheahan also offers a full kitchen with a microwave and dining area where you can prepare a meal and socialize with friends. Directly next to the kitchen area are the laundry facilities that are free to use, and you can even check the status of the machines online. What I love about Sheahan is that it has a great community feel, and it's also close to the McCann Center, where students can go work out and attend games throughout the academic year. I hope you've enjoyed our tour of Sheahan Hall and everything it has to offer. If you want to see Sheahan or any of our other first-year residence halls for yourself, schedule a campus tour at marist.edu/visit. If you want to learn more about housing at Marist, check out our housing website at marist.edu/housing. Thanks for joining us and have a great day.